In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your OPPO device. When you find it, click on it, and then use those three lines at the top left corner to continue. Click Clean at the top. Select Clean under Junk Files over here, and last but not least, hit Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!